This video explores text-driven video editing, where an AI agent, powered by scripting tools like Python and external libraries like FFmpeg, allows for a new way to create and manipulate video content. We are shifting the paradigm from the manual, repetitive tasks of a non-linear editor to an agentic video stack. This new stack treats video as an editable text script, enabling programmatic reauthoring through AI loops and specialized tools. The agentic video stack has three key parts: the brain, which acts as the logic and temporal planner, the processors, which execute programmatic cuts and conversions, and the vision and composition, which handles object tracking and rendering. Standard chat interfaces fail for video because they generate static text. Agentic systems, like OpenAI Codex, provide deep integration with local tools, run scripts directly, and update multiple files simultaneously for true video reauthoring. Step 1 is the pre-flight configuration. We explicitly select the model, activate extended mode for deep analysis, enable everyday work for workflow balance, and set the reasoning level to high for complex multi-tool rendering. Step 2 is de-risking the edit with plan mode. The agent first outlines its proposed execution plan, preventing misinterpretations and conserving compute credits, requiring human-in-the-loop validation before execution. The third step is generative reconstruction, where the video is reverse-engineered into an editable textual substrate, or text-as-script, through a closed-loop process. This editable text becomes your new timeline. Step 4 is the agentic reasoning loop. Codex acts as a harness, reading the video transcript, finding trigger words, and then executing tools like SAM 3.1 and Python/MoviePy for composition without manual timeline intervention. Step 5 is programmatic subclips and composition. Libraries like MoviePy automate standard timeline actions, such as subclipping and watermarking, with mathematical precision using precise code. Step 6 is autonomous debugging. If a render fails, Codex reads the terminal error messages, identifies the root cause, rewrites the FFmpeg syntax, and autonomously re-executes the command without breaking the loop. Step 7 involves standardizing workflows with custom skills. Complex editing knowledge can be packaged into simple markdown files. This enforces formatting and other project checklists across future projects. We must diagnose the human-AI perceptual gap. AI optimizes for frame-level visual fidelity, while human editors evaluate temporal reality. Mastering agentic editing requires specifically prompting for rhythm, pacing, and flow. The new creative labor is world-keeping. When editing, the creator's role is to ensure that generated elements, like new characters, respect the established narrative physics, lighting, and atmosphere of the source footage. Web-aware generation enables the agent to autonomously conduct market research, pull real-time data, and seamlessly integrate live web assets into the generated video or programmatic composition by activating the browser use plugin. The future of video editing is a semantic, text-driven environment, where natural language orchestrates code and code manipulates media. You are no longer just an editor. You are an agentic director.